Hey everybody, Albano here, back with a new clock, and this is a new wall clock. There's a flea market that I visit here in Montreal, which has graced me with quite a few wall clocks lately. It's very exciting because I love wall clocks. They have a very different sort of acoustical quality, and they're just really cool. So this wall clock is a 1930s German box clock by the Mauthe clock company out of Germany, Friedrich Mauthe and Son. And I have demonstrated a number of Mauthe clocks on this channel, so not a ton to say about it. It is an 8-day pendulum clock, chimes Westminster every quarter hour. Now, this one, most unfortunately, came with an either broken or otherwise disabled strike side mainspring. When I turn the key, nothing happens. There's not even a partial winding, as happens with another clock that I have with a broken spring. So I don't know what's going on with this one. I would love to fix it. Feeling that, I might pass it on to someone with more knowledge than I have. But in any case, this has a very bright and cheerful sounding Westminster chime with lots of resonance, so enjoy.